Hey guys, we're at Lake Kissimmee State Park. Right now we're eating lunch at a bench. It's super noisy and really, really beautiful over here. That's the lake. There's alligators in it. What do we have to eat, guys? Looks like
different sandwiches. We got some Chex Mix. We got some carrots. Some applesauce.
a bunch of waters.
Of course, water. We bought yogurts or Go-Gurts for you guys.
How long's the trail?
We got to figure that out. There's 15.6 miles of hiking trails here.
Yeah.
So we've got to figure out one that we can do today.
Yeah, I don't think we want to hike that much in one day. Is it good? It's really good. Okay, we'll see you guys on the trail. So we were just about to go hiking when all of a sudden it started raining. It started raining really bad. It's like pouring. So, oh, okay, you want to play some Uno?
Uno.
We're gonna be stuck in here for a while.
Yeah, let's play some Uno.
Gonna play some Uno.
Play some Uno.
That might be too bad. I think it's starting to die off.
It's starting to die off. It just keeps turning on and off and on and off.
Luckily we finished lunch, huh?
Yeah, we finished lunch just in time. As soon as we were getting back in the car to put the cooler out, it started to rain.
I think it's dropping off. Let's see. Yep.
Oh, looks like
But unfortunately, we don't have cell service out here, so we can't use our map or weather apps to see where it's going to come.
Yeah, but we only have a map, food, water. That's just pouring a little bit. Yeah, the woods are really pretty.
let's go play some Uno.
There's a shop over there and restrooms in that building. There's more benches. There's the lake beyond the boardwalk. More trees. That's really all we have to show. Okay, we'll see when we get back on the trail. Hopefully it's not too long. Okay, here's the observation deck. It's 3 stories high. It goes all the way up there. It just rained, so we want to be careful on the steps not to like fall. I think I just reached my comfort zone. There's the trail we're going to be hiking on. There's the view. My legs hurt. Oh, it's nothing with my legs hurting.
Whoa,
We're at the top. Look at all those dead. Logs. Wow.
Put the airboats out there.
I know, they're super loud.
I can't hear.
get on you.
It's like a bunch of gnats. They're just
The back of this trail is somewhat daunting. Looks like they just recently drove over it with something that hasn't even been cleared. So if you come, you want to be wary of snakes and alligators.
So guys, there's some really cool airboats, right?
Yep, we've seen several.
There's a lot of like sawgrass and like big weed coming out of the ground on the trail. But, oh, that's pretty. Look at that, Dad.
Yep.
How are you liking the trail so far?
Me?
Yeah.
It's pretty good. It's a little sandy
Yeah.
and then a little marshy. They could have cut it better through the marsh here.
Yeah. But it's really beautiful. Some of the things,
Yep.
right?
Good day since it's overcast.
Yeah. I think we're about halfway done with the loop. So then we can turn around and then go back the way we came from. Maybe we'll see some footprints
Another
of
boat.
ours.
Hold it up.
Oh, there's another. I don't know if you can see that. That's okay.
Mow the grass.
So Memphis, how are you liking the trail?
Good.
It's good? What's your favorite part of it so far?
Climbing a tree.
Climbing a tree. What about you, Mom? What's your favorite part? What's your favorite part, Mom? Look at the camera. Come on.
Now.
Now? Now? Really? This is my least favorite part. Oh, there's another bit of a lake. Here, Dad.
Yeah.
Here, show it up there.
Well, it's the airboat dock over there.
Oh, yeah, the airboat dock.
You can see where they're all.
The red and the white flag.
Can't zoom. Where the red flag is.
Yeah, we'll take a picture of it. You guys will see it. Probably like, I don't know, sometime when I'm talking.
What is it, Kale?
I have no idea.
Big buzzard? Yeah, I think it's just a buzzard.
So we're getting near the end of our trail. We only found 2 pieces of garbage, so that's pretty good. We cannot litter on our trails. There are animals living out there. There's other creatures, there's bugs. And if they like eat the trash, they'll get really sick.
Cookie stuff is, but you can feel it.
Rattle from a rattlesnake. They got run over.
Yep. Took the tail, buried the head. The rest is for the workers.
So weird.
Isn't it? It's pretty neat.
Cool.
You ever see something 3D? You ever play anything
I've
that was
never
like
actually.
3D made? No? 3D printers, this is what it feels like. Pretty neat.
That's weird.
Isn't it?
Yeah. I've never seen a rattle up close.
Yeah, this is the only time I like to play with them.
Cool.
Not when they're alive.
No. they don't like when you play with their tail when they're alive.
Cool. So thank you guys. Appreciate
you.
it.
You're welcome. You guys enjoy.
almost time to go home. So, how was the trail? Was it good? Pretty good? What about you, Mom? How was the trail? Yeah? Sandy? Sandy? Buggy? Dad, how was the trail?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? What was your favorite part?
Seeing the airboats.
Seeing the airboats? Yeah. What about your Mom? What was your favorite part?
Back where the boats were.
Back where the boats were? Memphis, what was your part?
Going home.
Going home. Well, that's about to be mine too.
Yeah.
Look, Dad, there's like a snail shell right there. That's
Sure. There's a
there's a bunch of them.
bunch of them around here.
Yeah, there's one
One
in the
right
water
here.
too.
Yep, there's one off in the water. And a white one.
Wow,
Pretty neat.
that's pretty cool. Yep. So we finished our hike at Gobbler's Ridge at Lake Kissimmee State Park. Now, get out in nature and find something exciting. See you next time. Stop! Shade. The trail just goes whoop, 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 whoop. You don't know where we're going. And then, the trail just goes like that, and then we have to make a loop to another observation area, and then we have to come back the same way this way. And that's about 3 miles right there.
I think I recorded my finger for a little bit.
Seriously? Gotta be kidding me.